You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this rifle, and this brand name in particular. There is a bit of a debate on how it should be pronounced. The most common pronunciation in the US in English is as the M1 Garand is the most common pronunciation. Many say it should be pronounced as Garand. Now, he was French-Canadian. John Garand is how he would have said his name, or maybe John Garand. So there's still a bit of a debate on how this should be pronounced. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.